Right, so in this video, I'm going to look at Biology Paper 2, 2017 GCE, specifically question 3 and 1 question for revision. So the question is saying figure 3.0 shows the muscles in a bent limb in a grasshopper. So we have muscle R and muscle S, and also we have the chitin. Okay, so muscle R, it is called the extensor muscle. Then muscle S is called the flexor muscle. So what usually happens here is that during the straightening of a limb in a grasshopper, muscle R is going to contract, then muscle S is going to do what? To relax. Now during the bending, it is opposite. Muscle S is going to contract, then muscle R is going to relax. So now, as you can see here, the muscles is more like they are opposite to each other. When one contracts, the other one do what? Relax or relaxes. Which means these muscles, they undergo what we call the antagonistic action. So as for antagonistic muscles, these are muscles that act opposite to each other. That is, when one muscle contracts, the other one relaxes. Apart from the extensor and the flexor muscles, they can ask you in an exam to name another muscles that play the same role like muscle R and muscle S. So you can talk of the muscles in the iris. The muscles in where? In the iris. The radial and the longitudinal muscles. Or them is the radial and the circular muscles, right? Yes. So the first question is saying, which is question A, identify muscles R and S. So muscle R, it is called the extensor. Then muscle S is called the flexor. Then as for B, in order to straighten the limb, what happens to muscle R and muscle S? In order to straighten the limb, what happens to muscle R and S? So muscle R is going to contract. Then muscle S is going to do what? To relax. When you say straighten, it's more like in Bemba we can say ukolola, yeah, like that. Then as for C, state the term used to refer to the action of muscle R and S. So this one here is called the antagonistic action. So antagonistic action, it is the action which allows the muscles to act opposite to each other. That is, when one contracts, the other one relaxes. So as you can see here in the diagram, this one is the what? The limb in a grasshopper. Now a grasshopper is composed of the chitin. Okay, so that skeleton is called the exoskeleton. Then as for D saying, identify the type of skeleton shown in figure 3.0. So it is called what? The exoskeleton. So now as you can see here, the exoskeleton is located outside the what? The muscles of a living what? Organism. Which means the muscles attaches itself or attaches themselves on the exoskeleton. So as for E, is saying, state 3 functions of the skeleton in figure 3.0. So the first one I'm going to say, provide attachment for the muscles. Provide the attachment for the muscles. Then number 2, provide mechanical support. Provide mechanical support. Then as for Roman number 3, this exoskeleton, it acts as the waterproof and protect internal organs. Then let's move on to the next one, which is the last one, which is coming from sexual reproduction. So it is saying, figure 6.1 shows the sequence of events that occur in sexual reproduction. So we have a sperm cell and the egg cell. So when a sperm cell fuses with an egg cell, The process is going to call, we are going to call the process as what? Fertilization, which is what? S. So S is called fertilization. So now once the sperm fertilizes an egg, or when a sperm fuse to an egg, a zygote is going to be formed, which is what? T. Then after the zygote, a foetus is going to be formed, which is the ball of cells. So the question, which is question A, Roman numeral number 1 is saying, state the name of cell T in figure 6.1. So cell T is called the zygote. Cell T is called the zygote. Then as for Roman numeral number 2, state the name of the process that takes place at S to form cell T in figure 6.1. So it is called what? Fertilization or random assortment. Fertilization or random assortment. Then as for Roman numeral number 3, state where in the human body process S takes place. So it takes place in the oviduct or fallopian tube. So that was the last one. Thanks for watching.